Ready for dictation?
3, 2, 1, ready. While framing charges, court beep required to evaluate materials and documents on record to decide whether facts emerging therefrom taken at their face value would disclose existence of ingredients constituting the alleged offense. At this stage, the court beep not required to go deep into the probative value of materials on record. It needs to evaluate whether there beep a ground for presuming that accused had committed offense. But it should not evaluate sufficiency of evidence to convict accused. Even if there be a grave suspicion against the accused and it is not properly explained or court feels that accused might have committed offense, then framing of charges against the accused is justified. It is only for conviction of accused that materials must indicate that accused had committed offense, but for framing beep charges, if materials indicate that accused might have committed offense, then framing of charge is proper. Materials brought on by prosecution must be believed to be true and their probative value cannot be decided at this stage. The accused entitled to urge his contentions only on materials submitted by prosecution. He beep not entitled to produce any material beep this stage, and the court is not required to consider any such material if submitted. Whether the prima facie case made out depends upon facts and circumstances of each case. If two views are possible and materials indicate mere suspicion, not being grave suspicion against accused, then he may be discharged. The court has to consider broad probabilities of case, total effect of evidence and documents produced before it. The court should not act as mouthpiece of prosecution, and it is impermissible to have roving inquiry at the stage of framing of charge. As discussed above, in the present case, upon hearing the parties and considering the allegations in the charge sheet, the learned second additional sessions judge was of the opinion that there be sufficient grounds for presuming that the accused has committed the offense punishable under section 302 Indian Penal Code, read with section 34 of Indian Penal Code. The order dated 12/12/2018 framing the charges beep not a detailed order. For framing the charges under section 228 Code of Criminal Procedure, the judge is not required to record detailed reasons. As pointed out earlier, at the stage of framing the charge, the court is not required to hold an elaborate inquiry. Only prima facie case is to be seen. The judge is not required to record his reasons for framing the charges against the accused. upon hearing the parties and based upon the allegations and taking note of the allegations in the charge sheet, the learned second additional sessions judge was satisfied that there is sufficient ground for proceeding against the accused and framed the charges against the accused respondent numbers 1 and 2. While so, the High Court was not right in interfering beep the order. Stop